It's Tuesday, May 17th. I just wanted to show you, I did buy some AAL 20 calls at 105. They're the August 20 calls at 105. And you can see here at the moment, as we're coming to the close of the day, they're up to 117. They're asking, bidding 116, asking 117. So they are moving higher on the day. Bottom at 105. And what I did was, after my initial video, I was kind of watching the stock, and when it was up in here, I put a bid in at 105, and I got it here on this dip right here. Now we've moved up towards the end of the day. And again, big picture wise, this is just a 2-up continuation on the day, but that triggered the 2-up week today for the first time. So we are projecting into next week up to these highs to 1964 area. I don't know if it's today's Tuesday, so we have 3 more days left in this week to make it there. You never know. The first target now, since we've moved up above this daily high on the daily chart, is up here at 1847. So that should be where we should broaden out. You don't know if you're going to pause up there first before making another, a run towards the weekly highs, but either way, I like the whole context in the trade, and the option price was good, and I just took an opportunity, to wait for a little bit of a broadening action to the downside to buy it. Got in. We seem to be closing near the high of the day. Hopefully that'll hold up. But either way, I'm going to hold on, through the end of the week into next week, and see if we can move up here, towards the blue line area, and even towards these weekly highs. The key to this thing is we kind of set up a new high here, which kind of fooled everyone. A lot of people got shaken out when it came down, but we kind of hit what's known as this, gap area support, and you can see that really on, well, where is that? Yeah, on the weekly chart here. This was this area right between, this high here and this low. This little gap area is a support area, and last week it kind of bounced off of there. So now we have the 2-up week, projecting higher for sure, continuities to the upside. Today, 15-minute chart looks to be closing near the highs. And again, those options that were bought down here should do pretty well if it continues higher. And, you never know. We have 3 days of 2-up, so that's reaching a little short-term possible exhaustion, but sometimes you can get, moves like this that go up, maybe brief pause and go 5-6 days in a row. So who knows? But the projection itself is towards the weekly highs of the prior, back up in here, up near the 1920 area. So we'll see if we get there by, the end of this week or into next week. But so just wanted to show you, bought those options there. Again, they're trading now at 118 and got in at 105. So looking good to start. We'll see where it goes by the end of the week.